Not all the time you can control the way you feel, but you can always choose the way you act in this hypocritical system. This is Peter Gracey, poet and author, and in collaboration with Jamaicans.com, I bring you this piece I wrote called Hypocritical System. Hypocritical systems, political views, governmental strategies, privacy abuse. In God we trust is now a big excuse that's used to strike religious warfare on a never-ending fuse. The ending times of a revelation scare. There were prophecies to warn us that the times were near. Never once ignored what the prophets had to say, but still, in lust, greed, and hatred, we live each day. Anxiety and panic, it's so hard to cope. When men and women compare God with the Pope. Bishops getting involved with the innocent and the young. Fathers sexually involved with their daughters and sons. Drapes and capes dragged over our faces. Imposters try to hang us with their shoelaces. They try to trick us to think this is a beautiful place when guilt is written all over their face. So the hypocrites and the parasites are sucking our blood, but they will face death by destruction, fire, and flood. I am not judging anyone, but we must sit back and look, recollect our minds, and rediscover the good book. So the hypocrites and parasites and the dirty governmental being, of you I wash my hands, cleanse my heart. But I will remember you while I'm praying. Repent, be baptized, and rejoice in singing. For you brought nothing into this world, and you leave with nothing.